In the following lesson, we'll review Enlighten Manager Summary and Settings tabs. The Summary view in Enlighten Manager lets you see an overview about the site. The Summary View tab is just to the right of the Live Status tab. It looks like a picture or a snapshot. Let's take a look. The Summary tab shows an overview of the system. It has a few generalized screens that will be useful to review the system, especially with others. This is similar to the rotating displays shown when using the kiosk mode. We have past 7 days of energy showing now. An energy graph, environmental benefits, system description, and a photo. You can upload any picture you like. Typically, a nice wide shot with your solar and energy storage is best. If you wanted to turn on kiosk mode, first scroll down, then select the small kiosk view button located in the lower right. The display will now continuously scroll through the screens we reviewed earlier. Kiosk mode will not stop running until you select the normal view button in the lower right, or close the browser window. The information displayed will update as the measurements change. Some customers will install a large display in their lobby, museum and educational spaces, or school common areas, all to show off their Enphase equipped solar system. Let's continue our Enlighten Manager session. Click on the Normal View button to exit and continue. The Settings tab hosts information and a number of site configuration details. Let's take a look. That last tab on the right that looks like a gear icon is the Settings tab. The installer and owner can see all of the following details: system name, owner, ID, installer production detail, racking, address, phone number, email, and Enphase warranty labor details. Scrolling down, permission to operate date, an option to display weather data or not. You can select which source energy and power production readings come from, the microinverters or the metering hardware using CTs. For kiosk mode, you can select what items are displayed and write the text shown in the system description screen. Moving down, you can change the photo gallery pictures. Under production estimate and threshold, you can configure the amount of energy the system is expected to generate over time, and when Enlighten should alert you. There are solar array details, service tickets, and their current status. In the self-service area, you can start a service ticket. To clarify, you can also do this from other views, such as when reviewing a single microinverter or Envoy earlier. Self-service is fast and easy. Rather than calling or emailing Enphase, you can quickly have items reviewed and replaced in just a few clicks. Let's take a look at the Request Return option under Self-Service. Request Return is a convenient feature of Enphase Self-Service. From the Request Return page, you select the desired shipping address, then select the microinverter that you think needs to be replaced. After you select the Submit button, Enphase algorithms analyze the equipment and confirm that there is an issue, and send a replacement. In some cases, additional details will be requested. Compared to other companies that have long waits on hold and many emails are hurdles, Enphase calls this fast and easy self-service operation service on the go. If you want to learn more about this, search for Enphase Service on the Go. Let's return to the last few settings details. We'll click on the Settings tab. Below self-service items, scrolling down, there are energy storage equipment details. Click on Tariff Editor and a new tab opens. We can change the energy costs and schedule. We'll close this tab and continue with more settings. Select Battery Storage and a new tab opens. Here you can set the battery storage operation modes: savings mode, self-consumption, and full backup. It's best to leave StormGuard enabled so batteries can charge if a known storm is coming. We'll close this tab and continue. Under Access Settings, you can decide if you want to show off your system to visitors. At the bottom of the settings page is another link to modify your alert email notifications. We covered this earlier in the account section. Scrolling back to the top of the system settings options, if we wanted to resume looking at the whole Rogers Energy system, we would click on the site name, in this case the Rogers residence.